When you lost your soul in boxing and in real life, it creeps up inside of you. The darkness, I can feel it too. It reaches up and grabs you and pulls you down, down, down. Some days it has me in a headlock inside my head. Lock because I can't get out. Some nights my mind screams at me like it's angry, like it's punishing me for something. The thoughts fly so fast, they're like jabs and crosses in the boxing ring. I try to fight them. Some nights I come out victorious, but not tonight. I am cornered, feeling it's blue like a million tons on my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Breath. Why can't I remember how to breathe when I lost my soul on the floor? On the ropes, pommeled somehow, I saw him stays on his feet. The bell ends the round, and I fall down, and I lost my soul. If you are wondering if I could win these fights, the answer is no. I got my kick by a shrimp and his name. I got knocked out in the first round. I was humiliated because anybody say I could not win. People laugh at my losses, and it's something I resent. I happen that I lied to everybody when I said that I came. I lay on the ground and bruised, momentarily dazed and confused, looking up at my opponent, that which we call life, standing over me, filled with heartache and strife, trying to hold me down, foot upon my chest, taunting me to stand again, to manifest, to resist my situation, the choices that I have to lead to this moment. I lay battered and broken, silently moaning things left unspoken, wistfully hoping for another opportunity. The possibility to show my determination and ability to overcome such adversity. My opponent steps away smiling, encouraging me to get to my feet, yelling that my time is not over, telling me I have much to complete. I look up to see hope in my corner, that which fills me with light. To stand again, determine and continue the fight, knowing good and well I will fall again in this brawl, that I will have to crawl, struggle, and give it my all. For this opponent, life isn't easy. Yes. Though he smile, he is greasy, quiet and fair at times. I must remember the things I am fighting for. What I do really is like boxing. My life is like boxing. That is why I watch boxing sometimes. Nights after nights. I throw out punches and mix with jabs, hitting the bug or person I see. And if it comes back to me, I hit it again until it stays away. What is the life of a fighter? Fight. Get in the ring. Wait for the ding. 'Cause when that bell rings, it ain't time to sing. It is time to fight. I don't matter if it's double your height and his jab bites. You ain't a knight, you the king, throws a right hook, but you ain't a rook. This is your moment. Do not run. Continue fighting. You're just not well spoken. There's that always bell ring, and you better bring the best that you can, 'cause you ain't the rest. This is the test, and if you're the best, then you bring home the belt, 'cause you won't melt. He's on the ropes and he hopes that you make a mistake, but this is a piece of cake. Then he throws a combination that would shock a nation. Jab, jab, hope, 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 cross. Then I lost my soul. So not to take a loss, 'cause you ain't Rocky, you were just two. At the end, I lost my soul. Words flow out of me like the punches of a boxer. Each word like a natural series of punches flowing out of a trained boxer.